Tip number 9 is to find your highest watch time videos and make more videos like that. So how do you actually go about doing this? To do this, what you're going to want to do is go into your YouTube analytics. As you can see, I'm within the analytics for this channel that you're actually watching right now. And if you go right here and you click on watch time right here within your analytics, and then what you're going to want to do is click the see more button right here. And this will give you an expanded view of the data. And this will actually show you your top watch time videos in the past 28 days. And as you can see, my top watch time video is this video right here, how to make money on YouTube without making videos in a weird niche. And on this video right here, as you can see, it's actually much longer than my normal videos. It's 28 minutes long, and it's gotten the most watch time. And as you can see, the second longest watch time video is 20 minutes long, and the third is 8 minutes. So there definitely is a correlation between how long your videos are and the amount of watch time that they accumulate. Now, that's not to say that really short videos can get a ton of watch time, because they definitely can as well, but longer videos tend to perform better. That's why I recommend making videos that are at least 10 minutes long as well. But what you're going to want to do is go into your analytics, see your top watch time videos, and make more videos like them. So if I see that this did really good, and look at the factors of these videos, for example, look at the fact that it's a 28-minute long video. That's definitely unique to this highest watch time video, so it would definitely make sense to make more videos like this. Now, I also recommend taking a look at the lifetime of your channel. So if you click this right here and you go to the lifetime of your channel, let's take a look at what now are the highest watch time videos. As you can see, this video right here, how to make money on YouTube without making videos, $6,000 a week, has gotten the most watch time of any video on my channel. And what you're going to want to do is go in, make more videos like those videos that have the highest watch time on your channels. Look at what makes those videos unique. Try to figure out why those have the highest amount of watch time. Go into your audience retention graphs, see where viewer interest spikes and where it goes down, and make more videos like that. Incorporate as many things as you can that you know are going to make the audience retention spike. And another great way that you can make more videos on your channel, like those videos that have the highest amount of watch time, is by making sequential videos. Like I talked about earlier in this video, making a part 2 or a part 3 to videos on your channel that have the highest amount of watch time is an amazing idea.